Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, and today I'm taking you through the DeepSeek Master Law. This is where you earn money using DeepSeek version 6 because this is one of the best AI that is going there out there to compete with ChatGPT. So when you want to make money, think this DeepSeek and Fever. All you have to do is click on start. Then after clicking start, you'll be asked to verify. Then continue and verify your account. Remember, you should have a live standing Fever account that should be able to publish gigs. Remember, these gigs will be sold on Fever on your own attributed milestone, like your own price. What you have to do, come back to DeepSeek, then ask it about Fever. Use this prompt. Give me the best Fever gigs for beginners. Then here it will take you to the whole protocol to give you the whole sequence for what a starter or a beginner on Fever should do. Because this AI has been having one of the best large language models trained on many datasets. It has one of the best filtered data and analytics. Remember, when you ask it about Fever as a beginner, it will not put you to the pro mode. It has been trained on this and can be able to give you the best. You see, when we asked about as a beginner, it gave us only 5 options. But when I put another prompt to ask it about as a pro person, it will give you more than 50. Imagine, more than 50 Fever gigs to do. So our first choice was being a graphic design. Doing that, number 2, data entry, virtual assistants can be done online too. Social media management, that's the third option. Writing and content creation, that's the fourth. And then lastly, the fifth is basic video editing. And it also goes further and gives you more tips for the success. Where it says that when you start small, you be there, and there is what we call affordability. Then you offer affordable prices initially to attract clients and build reviews. Second, it says optimize your gig. Use clear titles, descriptions, and tags to make your gig discoverable. That's what you call search engine optimization. For example, when you come back here on Fever and click on this gig of mine, which is set up your website for faster loading and better performance. I added this gig. As you can see, the metrics are very good. The analysis are good. Because when the first day I did this was on 1st Jan, before even this came. But when it just recently been activated, you see the graph has been fluctuating. Come closer to this one. It got 186 impressions. 186 impressions. Because it gives you a database of what is really needed out there. So as a beginner, you have the simplicity of this platform. Fever will be your cash cow when you master DeepSeek. As a graphic designer, it's very easy. You can use Canva because the gig idea is very simple: logos, do social media posts, business cards, and designs. So guys, just know this is one of the best things you can do. Then for the data entry, you can offer data entry, spreadsheet organization, basics at the basic administrative tasks. Because it is great, because it requires no special skills other than attention to detail and basic computer knowledge. Then the skills needed is the typing speed, actually say familiarity with Excel, Google Sheets and stuff. Then the title, this is one of the best, because when it gives you a gig title, which ChatGPT cannot do, it will show you that I will do data entry, web research, organize your spreadsheets. Because when you click here, data entry, that's the main gig. Then it also goes and fetches people who do web research. and those that want to organize their sheets. All three audiences are attracted in only one title. Come here on social media management. I will manage your social media accounts and schedule your posts for you. Guys, make sure that you use DeepSeek, create your Fiverr accounts. Make sure that you have a Fiverr account that can be able to sell. A Fiverr account that can be able to sell. So guys, like, this is a new account because this account is not old, it's new. I just wanted to show you how this is done. A Fiverr account that is able to show you where to post gigs is a business Fiverr account or Fiverr for sellers. When you go here on your profile, you can switch. You can switch to buying, which is the normal Fiverr you people know. But now the one I have right now is for publishing. I'm a publisher now on Fiverr. That's why you'll be having all these monies on your account. So thanks for watching, guys. I think we shall be getting more to learn about DeepSeek and more of its activities that it is able to do with you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.